If you use an Amazon Fire Stick, there is a group of settings that you should turn off right now to protect your privacy and keep your streaming smoother. In this video, I will show you exactly where they are, what they do, and which ones to disable step by step. Follow along on your screen and do the same on your Fire Stick. First, from the Fire Stick home screen, press the Home button on your remote once to make sure you are at the main menu. Now, move all the way to the right and select Settings. On some Fire TV devices, Settings is a gear icon in the top right corner. On others, it is on a horizontal row. Either way, open Settings. Inside Settings, scroll across and select Preferences. This is where Amazon hides most of the privacy-related options. Now choose Privacy Settings. You should see several options such as Device Usage Data, Collect App Usage Data, and Interest-Based Ads. We are going to adjust each of these. Let us start with Device Usage Data. Highlight Device Usage Data and press the Select button on your remote. If it is turned on, Amazon is allowed to collect information about how you use your Fire Stick, which screens you visit, and how often you use different features. Change the setting to Off. If a confirmation message appears, choose Turn Off or Disable. Next, go down to Collect App Usage Data. When this is enabled, Amazon can track how long you use specific apps, which apps you open, and how you interact with them. This data can be used to build an advertising profile about you. Select Collect App Usage Data and set it to Off as well. Now move down to Interest-Based Ads. With this enabled, the ads you see on your Fire Stick are personalized using your viewing and app history. Turn interest-based ads off. You will still see ads, but they will not be tailored using your personal data. On some Fire TV devices, you may also see options such as over-the-air viewing data, recently used apps, or similar tracking features. Any option that sends viewing or usage data back to Amazon can usually be safely turned off. Highlight each one, read the small description on the right, and switch it to Off if it is related to tracking or usage data. Now press the Back button on your remote once to leave privacy settings, but stay inside Preferences. Look for an option called Data Monitoring. Select Data Monitoring. If data monitoring is turned on, your Fire Stick is constantly collecting statistics about how much data each app uses, and this can add background overhead. Toggle data monitoring to Off. While you are still in this menu, you can also reduce extra data usage by disabling automatic video previews. Press back until you see an option called Featured Content. Open Featured Content. If you see settings named Allow Video Autoplay or Allow Audio Autoplay, turn both of them off. This stops trailers on the home screen from automatically playing in the background, which saves data and makes the interface feel lighter. At this point, you have turned off the main tracking and monitoring features on your Fire Stick. You have disabled device usage data, collect app usage data, interest-based ads, and data monitoring, and you have stopped auto-playing videos on the home screen. These changes don't break any apps, and they don't stop your Fire Stick from working. They simply reduce how much information is collected about what you watch and how you use your device, and they remove some unnecessary background tasks. To finish, press the Home button on your remote. Move around the Fire Stick menu and open a couple of apps to make sure everything still feels smooth. From now on, you can enjoy your Fire Stick with less tracking, fewer background processes, and a little more privacy every time you sit down to watch something. If this walkthrough helped you, remember to follow for more simple Fire Stick fixes and setup guides that actually respect your privacy.